the equation of the line given the points given the points A, open brackets, 2, 4, close brackets, and point B, open brackets, 3, 7, close brackets. So if they say find the equation of the line given the points A, 2, 4, and B, 3, 7, how do we find the equation of the line? Remember I said the equation of a line, y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to what? Mx plus c. Now we have been given the 2 points, A and B. Remember, you can use any one of your choice. You can use any point of your what? Choice. Okay? So let's use A. And let's find our C. So remember, first of all, do we know what remember, what's our M, Monique? What does M represent?
The slope.
The slope, very good. Now, do we know what our gradient is? Were we giving gradient in the question?
No.
Okay, so we have to find our gradient, very, very important. And what's the formula for finding our gradients? We know that our gradients, G, will be equals to y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1, right?
Yeah.
So what's our y2 minus y1 from the question?
7 minus 4.
Very good. 7 minus 4 all over. What about our x2 minus x1? What would that be?
3 minus 2.
3 minus 2. Okay. 3 minus 2. So that will give us 3 all over 1. To give us what? 3, right?
Yeah.
Very good. So right now we know what our slope is. Okay. So we know what our slope is, right?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Since you know what our slope is right now, I'm going to put it into the formula right now, okay? So with this said and done, I'm going to put it into the formula. So we have that. Remember, you can use any of the points as your what? You can use any of the points, either point A or point B as your this thing. You can use any of the points, either point A or B into the equation. Remember what I said, you will still get the same answer if you do so. So let's use point A. Remember our slope or our gradient is equal to what? Our gradient is equal to 3, right?
Yeah.
So since we're using point A, so we have our y will now be what? 4. Since we're using point A, let me write it down. Since we're using point A is what? 2, 4. So our y will be what? Our y will be is equal to our y will be 4 is equal to What's our gradient? 3, right? And y before equals to 3, open bracket. What's our x? Our x is what? 2, close bracket, plus. We don't know what our c is. We're about to get our c now. Okay?
Yeah.
So this is going to be 4. This is going to be 4 is equal to, what is 3 times 2? That will give us 6, right?
Yeah.
Plus c. Okay? Now, once you collect like terms, our c will be equals to 4 minus 6. C will be equals to minus 2. Minus 2. So since you know the value of our c now, we can now put the value of our c into the equation back, into the equation of what? Finding the equation of a straight line. So we have that y will be equal to our gradient, which is what? 3 x minus 2. Y is equal to 3x minus 2. So this is the equation for finding the straight line for this particular what coordinate given to us. Y is equal to 3x minus 2. Do you understand what I just did here, Monique?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So the formula for finding the equation of a line y equals to mx plus c. That should be noted down in your book. Please help me note it down in your book. Very, very important. Note it down in your book. The equation for finding straight line of 2 given points is y is equals to mx plus c, where m represents your gradient and c represents your slope. C represents your y-intercept. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So let me give you a question to solve right now. Let me see what you can do. Sorry, right now, I'm not using my laptop to do this. I'm using my phone because my laptop is down. We have power outage over here, so you have to just bear with me. Okay, so I'm gonna edit the question right now. So imagine you have to find very good. So find the equation of the line given the point of this and this. Can you do that for me now?
Yeah.
Okay, do it. How are you doing, Monica? Are you through with the question?
Almost, yeah.
Okay, okay. So how are we doing, Monique? Have you gotten the answer?
Yeah, I think so.
So what is your slope? Let me start from there.
The slope, I got one.
You got one as your slope.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So now what is the equation of the line?
Y equals 1x plus 7.
Y equals what?
1x plus 7.
1x plus what?
7.
Plus 7. Okay, y equals 1x plus 7. That is very, very, very well correct. Very good. Very, very correct. You got your slope and you're putting which point did you use? Did you use point A or B?
I used point A.
Point A, right?
Yeah.
Use point A and you got y equals to x plus 7.
Yeah.
Mm. I'm just checking it right now, and when I did mine, I didn't get y equals to x plus 7. I didn't get that. Look at this now. If we were to use, you said you're using point A, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so look at this now. So you got your gradient to be 1, which is correct. Your gradient is 1, which is correct. So if I'm to use that formula, if I'm to use that formula, y is equals to mx plus c. So what is going to be my y? My y will be 8 is equals to, my gradient is 1, right? My gradient is 1, and my gradient is 1, and my slope, my my gradient is 1, which is my slope, and my x is what? 5. So that'll be 1 times 5, right? 5 in bracket plus c. So we have a is equals to 1 times 5, which will give me what? 5 plus c. Okay? Now, if I'm to collect license, I'll be having c is equals to 8 minus 5, because 5 is coming over here. That will give us 8 minus 5, and c will be equals to 3. Are you seeing this now? C is equals to 3. So now if I'm now to put my C back into the equation, I'll be having y is equal to, what's my gradient? 1, right? 1 times x plus 3. So this will give us y is equals to x plus 3. That's my answer. Y is equals to x plus 3. So the equation of this line is y is equals to x plus 3. Do you see it, Monique? Hello, Monique. Uh, since Monique has gone offline. Hello, Monique. No. Hello, sir. Since Monique has gone offline. Hello, Uncle Ben. Hello, Uncle Ben. Hello, Uncle Ben.
Sorry, Uncle Chigo, my screen just got frozen for a while.
Yeah, I was saying that Monique went offline.
Yeah, when I noticed I couldn't hear her voice any longer, I realized that must have been the case. We'll just
Okay.
give her a few minutes. Maybe it's some network issues she's having.
Okay. Okay. Okay, no problem.
I also think I'm not sure she really got the explanation to that.
Connection well.
Yeah,
Okay.
so
I will still
maybe
do I will still
when she
explain to
comes
her.
back, yeah, explain to her again. Yeah.
Okay. No problem.
All right, thank you.
Yeah. Hello, Monique. Hello, Monique.
So, Uncle Chigo, I understand that her laptop wasn't well charged, so it went dead, but she's back on now.
Oh,
Yeah, I
okay.
think she's plugged it back on, so she should
Okay.
be with you.
Okay.
Hi, Monique, are you there?
Since she's still setting up the Zoom.
Okay. Well, we'll just give her a few minutes.
Yes.
Hi, Uncle Sam.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. How's it going?
Hold on, sir. How we thank God. Good evening, Uncle Chigo. She's done with her class.
No.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, I think the
I have a
laptop
meeting
wasn't.
by 7,
You have a meeting by
by
7.
6, sorry. Yes. It's because of this that I shifted it.
Okay. I'm thinking. We had a
I'm
little
guessing
bit
So
she's
of
still
the
having the
network threw her
laptop
out.
issue. From our
no,
own
no, no.
end,
It's her
Maybe
laptop.
the laptop went off.
her laptop.
Yeah, she didn't charge her laptop, so she's trying to reconnect.
Okay.
You said you're having a meeting by what time?
7 o'clock.
Okay, 7 o'clock. Wow.
Yes.
Okay. Hello, Monique. She's back online. Hello, Monique.
Hi.
Okay, welcome back. I was told that your laptop was ran down, and I was told your laptop was ran down and you're able to. So I'm trying to get back the notes now where we start. She's going off and on. I'm not sure. She's going off and on. Okay. She's back again. Hello, Monique. Can you hear me now? Hello, Monique. Hello, Monique. Hello, Monique. Hello, Monique. Hello. Hello, Monique. I'm not sure, Monique. Since our system is giving out issues. Sir. Hello, sir. It seems Monica's system is giving her issues.
Yeah, so what we'll do is this. I'm trying to see if I can create another Zoom meeting link, which I'll send to her mom and yourself to try and log on with. You can log on to that link so that Uncle Sam can go ahead with his meeting.
Okay, okay.
But stay with her until then. Just stay with her. Uncle Sam will give us like 5 minutes.
Okay. Monique, can you hear me now? Hello, Monique. Can you hear me now? Monique, if you can hear me, reply. Hello, Monique. Hello, Monique.
And it's not able. I think it's just going in and out.
I'm suspecting it's from our own end, maybe network issues. This might not even be from Zoom itself. From our own end, I'm suspecting it might be network issues but she's just going off and online.
Yeah, we'll just stay with her for a few more minutes and see what happens. I don't know, Uncle Sam, how quickly might you be able to create another link for us, just in case? I'm trying to do it here too, but it's a little bit slow.
I think I've done it. Smart link in the group. I've done one before.
Okay, that one.
So
yeah.
I think we can use that one.
All right.
Yes,
okay.
we can use that one. So we
I'll
can just log out from here.
Okay.
Do you know how you can get it?
Yeah, no, I know. Just you can just give us a few minutes so that I can send a link to her mom. And
Okay, I'm trying to see if I can find it.
If you can find it, send it to.
But the person is waiting. Yeah.
Yeah, just if you find it, you can just send it again.
Okay.
Send it again to the group chat, and then I'll forward it to the mom.
Okay.
Hi, Monique. Is your system stable now? Hello, Monique.
I'm not sure this is I'm sure it's maybe network from their own end. Network from their own end.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. We're just trying to see if we can, reconnect with her, even if it's for a few minutes, so that she knows what the plan is. She can connect to the new link.
Okay.
Uncle Sam, did you find it?
Yes, I just sent it.
Is it the one you just pinned now? The one you just pinned now, right?
Yes, yes, yes. I just sent now. Yes.
Did you pin it or
Yes.
you sent it? Which one is it? Because
Just
the one you
I
just
sent
sent,
it to the group.
the
Now.
one you just sent now. Okay, no problem. I've seen it.
When I put a love logo on, yeah.
Yeah, I've seen it. Yeah, thanks. So, Uncle Chigo,
Yes, sir.
how much longer would you be able to, you want to give her till? Anyway, maybe we should move on to that platform first, and then we'll
Okay.
see if she's able to connect. Then we'll know how
Okay.
much time you can give her as extension. I'll say maybe up to 7:30 or something.
I will try my best because I myself I'm supposed to have another class again. But I'll try.
I know.
My best.
We just see how far you can push it for.
Okay. Okay. So that means we should leave this class now.
Yeah, let's leave here for Uncle Sam. You can move on to this new lead.